Dogs are also symbolic of wedding because they're paired for the house and both sharing and caring for their young. Charity Greeks, it symbolizes the freedom of love and goddess of love. In a count of three, i-chant nga kalapati. So, i-kiss nanay natin. Kiss before. 1, 2, 3, kiss. Ayan. Hindi ka man-sir. Hindi ka loob yung man-sir. At di man sa sir sa dalong-dalong na. Okay, once again, kiss. Kiss and dog. Smile. Siyempre, makiss man ang couple. Dungan. 1, 2, 3. Very good. Okay. Tulog 3. In 1, 2, 3. Let go! Wait, palakpakan naman natin. Ayan.
Nadula. Ay, nasunod siya. Nasunod.
There you have it, ladies and gentlemen. Once again, palakpakan.
Every